What is the best programming language to start building your own AI application? It's Python, and I'll tell you why. OpenAI released the Agent SDK exclusively for Python, allowing the creation of more advanced AI systems. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, said that 2025 will be the year of AI agent, and that agent will enter the workforce like never before, making it the key for the future. And not just OpenAI, Google has also chosen Python for his new suite of tools like the Agent Development Kit. Why Python is so special for artificial intelligence? Because Python can easily connect with other programs and systems like a universal adapter. And what does all this mean for you as a developer? That if you know Python, you have the door open to the most advanced tools in artificial intelligence. So in my next video, we're going to start creating our own agent using the OpenAI Agent SDK. And if you don't want to miss that video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media.